Before slathering Vaseline on your face, it's important to know a few things. Vaseline, or petroleum jelly, is one of those skincare staples that almost everyone has in their medicine cabinet, alongside similar products like Aquaphor or CeraVe Healing Ointment. It's incredibly versatile, useful not just for facial care, but for soothing dry skin all over the body, and it's even commonly used in dermatology. Despite its long history, dating back to the 1850s, when people noticed that oil byproducts could help heal wounds, there are still lots of myths floating around. A big one is that petroleum jelly is carcinogenic. While it does come from petroleum, modern processing removes harmful compounds, making it safe for topical use. Vaseline is gentle, protective, and hydrating, forming a barrier that locks in moisture and helps skin heal. So it's less scary than some of the warnings online might make it seem. The petroleum jelly you find in Vaseline, store brands, or as an ingredient in lotions and skincare products goes through extensive refining before it reaches your skin, which makes it extremely safe. The tiny amounts of compounds called polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons that exist in crude petroleum are reduced to almost nothing, and studies show that these compounds barely penetrate the skin at all. Cosmetic-grade petroleum jelly is highly purified. Think of it like drinking clean water versus water straight from a river. Both come from a similar source, but one is safe for everyday use. This is why using Vaseline on your skin doesn't expose you to harmful carcinogens. In fact, it's widely used in medicine and dermatology as the base for many ointments because it's a semi-solid mix of mineral oil and waxes that locks in moisture and protects the skin, making it a safe, reliable, and versatile skincare staple. One of the best things about petroleum jelly is that it contains no water, which makes it extremely stable, resistant to oxidation, and safe from microbial contamination. This is why it's so highly valued in medicine and skincare. It acts as a powerful skin protectant, supports barrier recovery, and works as an occlusive to lock in moisture, preventing water loss from the skin. Studies even show that petroleum jelly can reduce water loss by 50% to 90%. Making it unmatched compared to other moisturizing ingredients. For people with dry or sensitive skin, or conditions like atopic dermatitis, it helps restore the skin barrier, improves natural production of ceramides and barrier proteins, and can actually support healthy exfoliation by loosening and smoothing dry, flaky skin. By keeping the skin hydrated and protected, petroleum jelly not only soothes irritation, but also strengthens the skin's natural defenses, making it an essential, versatile, and highly effective product for maintaining healthy skin. Another advantage of petroleum jelly is that it rarely causes stinging or irritation, making it ideal for dry, sensitive, or reactive skin, such as in atopic dermatitis or rosacea. Because it contains no water, it doesn't need preservatives, which are sometimes responsible for burning, stinging, or allergic reactions, so it's naturally low risk and gentle. Allergic reactions to petroleum jelly are extremely rare, which makes it a safe choice for people with compromised skin barriers. It's also commonly used as the base for prescription ointments because it enhances the delivery of active ingredients, like topical steroids, making treatments more effective without changing the drug itself. Beyond medication, petroleum jelly supports wound healing by keeping skin hydrated and protected, allowing cells to migrate and repair the area properly. Studies even show that wounds treated with petroleum jelly heal just as effectively as those treated with antibiotic ointments, proving its safety and effectiveness for both skincare and medical use. Studies show that petroleum jelly is just as effective as antibiotic ointments like bacitracin for wound healing, but without the higher risk of allergic reactions that antibiotics can cause, which can actually slow healing. Its occlusive and protective properties make it ideal not only for wounds and superficial burns, but also for preventing chafing in areas like the inner thighs or underarms, protecting babies from diaper rash, and keeping lips and eyelids hydrated and safe from irritation. It can even shield sensitive areas from harsh ingredients, like applying a layer before using tretinoin on the face to prevent eyelid irritation. Social media trends like slugging, where petroleum jelly is applied as the final step in a nighttime skincare routine, take advantage of these benefits, locking in moisture, supporting barrier recovery, and leaving skin soft, hydrated, and glowing by morning. Petroleum jelly is also very helpful for repairing irritated or inflamed skin, making it a go-to for calming sensitivity from topical products. Many people use it as part of their nighttime skincare routine, but it's not for everyone. Personal preference, skin type, and climate all play a role. Those with oily skin may find it too heavy or uncomfortable, and in hot, humid areas it can feel greasy, whereas in dry climates or during winter, it can be extremely soothing. It's not just for the face. Petroleum jelly works wonderfully on elbows, knees, and especially feet, where thick, dry skin benefits from overnight hydration when covered with socks. Overall, it's low risk, rarely causes stinging or allergic reactions, and is generally well tolerated, though there are situations where it may not be the best choice depending on individual skin needs. One thing to keep in mind with petroleum jelly is that it can trap heat, so people with rosacea might experience flushing or flare-ups if they apply it all over the face. Slugging isn't for everyone. It's also safe for eyelids and shouldn't cause melia, which are tiny cysts filled with keratin. These form spontaneously, after injury, or due to hereditary factors, not from using petroleum jelly. In some cases, it can cause a mild heat rash called miliaria, when sweat glands get temporarily blocked, but this resolves once the skin is exposed to air. A common myth is that petroleum jelly clogs pores, but research shows it doesn't. Even under extreme conditions like 6 weeks of occlusion, it rarely caused issues, and studies have actually shown it can reduce acne lesions. Comedones, or clogged pores, are not caused by petroleum jelly, making it a safe, non-comedogenic option for keeping skin protected, hydrated, and healthy. Overall, petroleum jelly is extremely safe for the skin and can even help people with acne by reducing water loss, though it may not feel comfortable for those with oily skin. One exception is premature babies, where research suggests petroleum jelly can increase the risk of bacterial and yeast infections, so many hospitals avoid its use in preterm infants. However, in certain newborn conditions, like babies born with a collodion membrane, it's essential for preventing water loss and supporting skin healing. For most adults and children, petroleum jelly is a versatile, gentle, and effective skincare product with countless uses, from moisturizing dry skin, protecting sensitive areas, aiding wound healing, to supporting barrier recovery. It's low risk, rarely causes irritation or allergic reactions, and can be used almost anywhere on the body. Whether it's a name brand Vaseline or a well-refined store brand version, it works the same way, making it a timeless and indispensable part of many skincare routines.